Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our English classes by Teacher Hein. Today we're going to be taking a look at, vocabulary exercises, some that I thought might be useful to especially both English as a first language and English as a second language students. Click the like and subscribe button and make sure to leave a comment so that we can give you better content in our following videos. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let us take a look at this exercise. This particular one is designed to have one specific purpose. It is for us to connect the dots between the words that we know and the words that we don't, but those that are somewhat derived from the words that we do know. For example, luminous and illuminate. Obviously, both of these words as given here are derived from one another. How do we know this? We know this as in the Latin word lumos, which means light. So, obviously, because they're derived from the same word, they both have to have something to do with light. Let's take a look at the meaning of the word luminous in the exercise here. If luminous means giving off light or brightness, then what would illuminate mean? Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look from the options in the box up above. Obviously, we know the meanings of the words on the left. What we are supposed to do is to determine the meaning of the words on the right, as they are derived from the words from the left. Obviously, they both have similar meanings. So, if luminous means giving off light or brightness, what would illuminate mean?
I will give you 30 seconds.
That is correct. To brighten or enlighten. Let's take a look at number 2. If a spectacle is something to watch, and then a spectator, what would spectator be? Now, obviously, spectacle has something to do with looking at something, and as we know, there's another meaning to the word spectacle, which means a pair of glasses, which we also use to look at something. Spectator. What would be the perfect definition based on the meaning of the word spectacle?
I will give you 30 seconds.
Correct! The correct answer is someone who watches. Number 3. If credible means to be believed, then what would discredit mean? Obviously, like means liking something, and dislike means not liking something. So obviously, dis have to do something with negative. Says here, credible means able to be believed. So discredit, what would it mean?
I will give you 30 seconds.
Correct. The correct answer is proved to be false or unbelievable. Number 4. If placid means peaceful and calm, then what would placate mean? Let's take a look.
I will give you 30 seconds.
Correct. To enlighten or brighten. Number 5. If nominate means to appoint, to name, or to identify, the nomenclature. Now obviously these have meanings to do with giving names to things. So what would nomenclature mean?
I will give you 30 seconds.
Correct. A set of names or system of naming. Number 6. If aquarium is a water environment, then what would aqueduct mean? Obviously, we all know the meaning of the word aqua from Aquaman. Where does Aquaman live? In the water, just like SpongeBob. So obviously, aqua has got to do something with water. So what would aqueduct mean?
I will give you 30 seconds.
Correct. A structure for transporting water. Number 7. If mobile means capable of moving, then motivation, what would it mean? Obviously, mobile. The word mobile is derived from being able to move, from the word move itself. Motivation. It is a noun. What would it mean?
I will give you 30 seconds.
Correct. A reason to move or to take action. Part 1 finished.